Hi, ni hao, Chef Tom, making stir-fried udon noodle. I have a pot of boiling water. Now I'm going to turn it off. I turn off this pot of the boiling water. I have these two frozen udon noodle. We're just going to blanch the noodle really quick until they're separated. Udon noodle take very short period of time to blanch. Here I got a big skillet, medium high heat, add some cooking oil in, some ginger and garlic, a little higher, give them a nice flavor. And some hot chili sauce. Yes. It's a great combination. See? They separate real quick. And I have this beautiful seaweed. I'm going to add in a bunch of it. Just for like making a soup, seaweed. They dehydrate really fast. Give them a quick stir. There we go. And here I have this beautiful onion and bell pepper. I don't have the mushroom today. Usually I like to put mushroom, shiitake mushroom, give them a really nice flavor. If you have anything left over, protein, you can add right in. I remember one time I had some leftover string beans, maybe like half cup leftover string beans. I'm going to show you how to cook with the leftover food. See how beautiful? Onion, bell pepper, it can caramelize a little while. That's why I added in before my ginger and garlic turn brown. And control your heat. You see here? Voila! I think this is good, right? Now I got this yucai. I have a ton of yucai I need to cook away. Yucai you can get it at the Asian market, Asian grocery store. That looks so beautiful. Okay, here, while I'm let this thing cook, I'll be right back in 2 seconds. I got this calendar. Okay, we're gonna drain this out on the sink and then let the water drip off. Drain the whole noodle. Let them sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, we can season it now. There's a couple reasons. Because the noodle is going to have a lot of water still, right? When you have a lot of water with the noodle and stir fry with this beautiful vegetable, usually the flavor is not as good as full like this. So I got sake, and you can use teriyaki sauce or any kind of sauce you have, right? The idea is I'm going to show you how to cook. Oh yeah, see? Sometimes you add the noodle in, especially the noodle is really wet, you don't get this kind of flavor. So I can add teriyaki sauce very light. And then I might add in a little bit of the hoisin sauce. Like that. Give them a little balance. And I'm going to give the vegetable a quick stir. So now we know the vegetable has great flavor. You see this? The vegetable has balance of this, all the beautiful sauce. Nice, strong flavor. And then we're going to add in this beautiful, you see that? I can smell the seaweed. Now, you created a next level of flavor with seaweed. Now we're gonna cook like this. Yeah? when you blanch the noodle, you see the noodle have nice texture. You don't want to overcook the noodle. Udon noodle could be easily overcooked. I still can tell multiple noodles still not completely tender, you know? So that's the good. You don't want to cook through. You want to have like 80% blanch the noodles, still have like 10-20% that you can stir fry to carry on cooking. Okay, now you just have to try a piece. Wow. Okay, that's how you cook. Wow. Delicious. I can taste the seaweed, very light. Bell pepper is very pungent, sweet. The flavor is there. Really good. The only thing is because that teriyaki sauce, the sodium is really light. So what do? It's up to you. If, zoom this up a little bit. If you want to add more teriyaki sauce, and we know the flavor is there, but the sodium content is very light, it's not gonna get any much saltier than this. So at this point, you can add some salt, or you can add a little bit of the soy sauce, because soy sauce have higher sodium content with this teriyaki sauce that I got. Or, I love it. The flavor is there. I'm just gonna leave it like this, okay? To your taste. Everything is to your taste. All right, I think we're done. Black pepper. It's a good custom to do stir-fry noodle, add some black pepper. But not least, don't forget sesame oil. Now you got 3 or 4 layers of flavor. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't want to overcook. I'm going to turn off the fire right now. That's it. It's done. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Look at how good. Beautiful. Delicious. Huh? Gorgeous.